I'm about to show you how I was able to customize this website. No, I haven't added any product as yet. Guys, I'm waiting on you. I am waiting on you. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do, a lot of beginners get stuck at this stage because they're thinking that their business name has to be perfect before they can start. Guys, your business name can always be updated later. The important thing is choosing something that represents your brand so you can start building your business. Alright, so you have to decide your niche. Is it woman empowerment? Is it fitness? Is it motivation? Your niche will help guide your business name. So step 2, guys, you go to ChatGPT. Instead of spending hours thinking of names, we're going to use AI to help us. This is what I am going to do. I am starting a print-on-demand clothing brand in the niche woman empowerment. Generate 50 unique, modern, premium 2-word brand names. I do not want single words name. Each name should be made of 2 words short that sound natural together and feel like a real brand. The name should be easy to pronounce. That's it. I'm not going to tell AI to do too much because sometimes AI tired of it, but they don't know how to say I'm tired of you. Alright, so send it off and see what we're going to get. Alright, so guys, replace it with your niche. This prompt will be below this video so you can use it to get your own business name. There we go, guys. We have some list of names, some very cute name. Let's say it gives you a name that you don't like. You can always tell it that you want more and it will go ahead and generate. It will give you some more names. See, give me at least 75 more. So I have a whole list to choose from. Don't overthink it. Pick a name and move on to creating your business logo. So open up Canva, go to templates, go to the search bar and type in business logo. Now you're going to see a bunch of logos that you can simply just customize. Right, you have a few there. Just work with one that fits your niche, and guys, you can always customize them. So even if it don't fit your niche and you like it, you can still tap on it. Let's say I'm going to work with this one. If I want to work with this one, I will tap on it and it's going to give me the option to customize this template. It's going to open up the whole entire design, right? So I am able to customize everything. I have a business logo that I was working with, so I'm just gonna tap on it and add it, right? So let's say we're customizing our logo now. This is what I would do. First, I will change the name here. I will tap on it, highlight it, and then I will type in my name for my business. And it is Glow and Grow. By the way, guys, this is very cute. So I'm gonna put this in G and I'm gonna put this in G. All I did was just tap on it twice and highlight it. Look what I'm gonna do now. I could keep this underneath, but let's say if you want to remove it, you can, but if you want to edit, you can also edit. Let's say girls power. Alright, I'm gonna adjust the size of this one because I would want it to be bigger. Alright, there we go. You can also change the colors, put it to red. Alright, I'm gonna do the same for the other side. There you go, guys. If you want to change all the colors, this is possible. Just highlight it, and at the top where you see the A icon, you can change the color of your text. So let's put this to red also, and put this to red. There you go. You have your logo. Cool. Now, in order for you to save your logo, you're gonna tap on the share button on the right corner of your screen. You're gonna tap on download, and you're gonna tap on transparent background. You don't want it with the white background. and the file type must say PNG. You can go ahead and save your design just like that. So once you open up Fourth Wall, you go to your site design, you open up your template, you want to go to style, you want to go to, let me do that again for you. You go to style, then you go to logo. Once you go to logo, you'll be able to upload your image. So I'm going to upload my business logo. There we go. What to do to adjust this is we're going to tap on it. So we're going to tap on edit. We want it to be in the center, so we're going to put it in center, the logo, center logo. Right? So guys, after you upload your logo, you have the option to big up the size, just like that. Right? There you go. We're going to delete this section where it says shop collection. Delete. And we're going to tap here, and then it's going to bring up a whole lot of sections that you can add. So I'm just going to work with add image banner, and it's right here. All right, there we go. So my next step now is to go back to Canva, and I am going to grab my banner. Or if you already save your banner, you can just upload it. But for me, I am going to grab the banner. I'm going to save it. Tap on share, tap on download. And for the page, I'm going to do current page, just like that. Save. After saving, I head back to remove this image by tapping on the X. You can upload your image right here where it says drop image here. So I'm going to drop my image there. Awesome. And I'm going to remove the heading text where it says bold new look. I'm going to delete it. And where it says section size, if your image is cut off, if you see where any of your design is cut off, you can go to section size and you can put it to adapt to image. Right? If you see any of your design is cut off after you upload it, go to section size and add it to adapt to image. So we're going to leave this for now. While we add our information, we save it. Let me tell you what else I'm going to do. I'm going to scroll up and I am going to tap on add section, and I'm going to add an announcement bar. And for my announcement bar, I will be able to edit it. So it says shop new arrival. I am going to change it on the notice on the left hand side. I can remove the information, and I'm going to type wear confidence. And if you type it out and you don't see change, you can just tap on save and it will be there. So next I want to change the color. So I'm going to go to style, and for the primary color, I am going to set it to the color of this. So I'm going to tap on color, this little pencil, put it over the color that I want to work with, and there we go. Just like that. Right? Just like that. I'm also going to add another section below here. Let me bring it up so you guys can see. I'm going to add another section. What I'm going to do is add another announcement bar. So we have one at the top, one at the bottom. Let's see if we can reduce the size of. Alright, so for the header size, we can put it to small. There we go. There we go. Alright, so for this announcement bar, we can tap on it, tap on edit. We want to change it from shop now Your announcement bar can have information such as what you want your customers to see your brand as, right? For this section, I'm gonna put design to inspire you. If we want our logo to stick, we can tap on it. If we want our logo to scroll while the visitors are scrolling, we can just tap on this. I'm going to show you what I'm talking. It's going to give it a blurry background, just like this. So you see, while they're scrolling, your logo is moving with them. Alright? If you don't want that, you can simply just unsticky them right over here. So how you get to that section, guys, you would have to tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, you come all the way down where it says visible element. Alright? So what I'm gonna do next, for me, I'm gonna tap on edit for my banner, and I want to put an overlay on my banner. You get the overlay right underneath the image, so you stick it this little box and adjust it. You notice over here get a little darker. Alright, so you're able to adjust it. If you don't want your button to say shop now, you can probably tap on it, change it. And guys, if you don't want this button to be there, you can also delete it just like that. Let's say you want to add another button, you can add another button. If you want this button to say something else, probably like best-selling product, let's see, let's tap on it and let's say best-selling products, best sellers, that's what I would put. And let's say you have a bestseller collection, you have a collection that has the best-selling product, you can put the link right here, and once they tap on that button, it will take them there. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I am not going to keep that button. I will be deleting it. So I'm just giving you guys how you can customize your banner. Now, this section where it says feature product, you can edit it, right? Yes, you can edit it. Featuring products, you can tap on the edit button, and where it says featuring product, let's say you have a category that you want to be in this section. Probably you have praise, all praise t-shirts, all praise tee. Save it to see the change, right? So the name of this section, the name of this collection is called all praise tee, right? So that means all the praise t-shirt will be in this category. So you can have the number of product that you want to be here. It goes right up to 45, but for me, I would say keep it as probably 6 or probably 8 because you're new, right? And guys, you can play around with the buttons. There's a lot of buttons. There's a lot of buttons there that you can just explore. Let's tap on advanced setting, the appearance. You can tap on the padding, you can adjust the padding. This is 48. Let's bring it all the way up to see the changes. Right? You don't want that, bring it all the way down. Guys, you don't really have to trouble these, you know. Button padding, you can adjust them. If you can customize, let's say you want to bring up these colors down here, you can invert the colors and it will change. If not, you can turn off the tab and keep it as it is. Alright, so as it relates to this section, I'm going to add another banner. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go all the way down till I'm seeing where it says add a section. And then I'm going to add another image banner. Tap on add. once you tap on add, you will get the option to drop in your next banner. Now guys, a second banner is very important, right? Yes, your second banner is very important. And this is what I would do to get my second banner. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. Guys, we're using AI to get the work done. So open up back ChatGPT. You don't have to worry about making your website perfect today. The goal is to launch, so you can always improve your store as your business grows. So I'm going to tap on new chat. Make sure that you're not seeing anything there. Tap on this plus, and I'm gonna upload my banner, my first image banner. Yes, I'm gonna upload it. And this is what I would say to it. I am creating a second era banner for my print-on-demand clothing brand. Use the upload banner as the design reference. Keep the same premium brand identity, color, typography, style, lighting, and overall luxury appearance, but create a complete new layout so it look like a matching second banner instead of a copy. Make the second banner feel fresh while remaining consistent, right? Now, I'm gonna tell it to keep my business logo, use the same branding color, change the headline to something new, create a different supporting description, use a different call to action button, replace the model, right? Probably you want the model sitting, standing, holding, mock-ups, I don't know. Rearrange the layout so the position is unique. Add the subtitle, premium design elements, lighting, right? You don't want it to be too much, and tell it to give it the same size. You're working with the same size banner as the upload image, right? And there we go. Now guys, the reason why I'm doing this is your home page shouldn't rely on just one banner. A second banner helps showcase another collection. So let's say, for example, you have a collection that says bestseller, and you have let's say prayer t-shirt, you know. So a second banner literally announce what you're offering. Cool. It make your website feel more complete, by the way, and it give the visitors another reason to keep scrolling. So I'm gonna send off this. I know that AI didn't hear everything I said because I talk straight power. But guys, this prompt will be available for you, so you don't have to worry about that, how you're gonna get it. It will be available below this video. All right, so we're waiting on the image to generate, and let's see what we're gonna get. This is what we got, guys. This is what we get. Cool. I like it, but AI kind of make it look, her face kind of look a weirdish way. Wonder if I can ask it to recreate the image for me. I'm gonna type on edit, recreate, and see if it's gonna give her that weird look. You know, it kind of has like line on her face, so I'm gonna ask it to do some editing for me. But if you're okay with your design, guys, remember now we have to tweak AI. AI is not to replace us, it is just to guide us a little bit. All right, this is what we get, guys. We're gonna keep it, we're gonna save it, and we're gonna go right back to fourth wall. We're gonna remove this image. We're gonna upload our second banner. We can keep it as it is, or we can show the overlay on it. We're going to remove these extra texts. Let's see if we can find them. There we go. Remove. Remember, you can always change the title, the name of the button if you don't want it to be sharp. No. Let's save this and see how we're looking. If you want to also add a little description about this banner, you can go ahead and do so. Let's say you want this banner to probably talk about a collection that you have, right? As I said, each banner you create is for your viewers to explore more of what you have to offer. So let's say I want to add a description. Alright guys, so I add all the writings. In order for this to be visible, you know what I would have to probably do? I would have to bring the layover all the way down. I'm going to keep it as it is. But all changes, you can make all changes if you want. It's your banner. If you want to go ahead and add another section, you can also, right? You go down. If you have a specific product that you want to feature, if you want to showcase a specific product, you can add one. If you want a collection, you could add one. I'm just going to add collection. I'm going to add a feature collection. And you can put the number of products that you want to be available. I'm going to put 8. You could retitle this text Fearless Fit. We could change the name of our button. Where it says show all, we could turn it off and keep it as it is. But I'm gonna turn it on. Alright. You have advanced setting for every section, guys. You have advanced settings, so play around with it. Convert to color. You can play around with everything. It's your website. Well, remember now, guys, we don't want to overdo it. If you want to change your color of down here, you can always go ahead and do so. But for me, I'm gonna just turn this off. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and save. So what have we done so far? This is what we have done. What if we could add another announcement bar? We don't want any text to be here. We could remove it if we want. We're going to use it just for design purpose. So the only thing left for us to do now, guys, is input our products. So let's say, guys, you would want your announcement bar to be running. How would I do that? How would you do that? You would delete this section by tapping on delete, and then you could add section. And if you want the announcement bar to be scrolling with text across, you could simply just do it. Let me show you. It would be better to show you guys. See that? So the text run across the screen. If you want it to be like that, you can set it to that. Let's say you have a specific place that you want your customers to be taken to from the information that you would have been displaying up here. You can also add a link right over here. You can link it to somewhere. Simple, clean, and nice. So what we're going to do now, guys, is we want to tap on save before you do anything. I don't have anything that I've updated. If you want to view the mobile version, if you want to see how it look on mobile, you can go ahead and do that. If you want it to say publish, you could probably publish it. If you want to publish your store, guys, all you have to do is just tap on publish, right? And it says coming soon, guys. Let me teach you something about pre-launch now. If you want the store to do a pre-launch where it says coming soon, if you share the link with somebody, they will see that your store is coming soon. All right? Yes. And if you want to make your website live, all you have to do is just tap on live. But we're not going to publish it as yet. Once we start adding products, we can go ahead and press live. So we're just gonna make sure that all our information that we input is saved. In the next video, I will be showing you how to design on t-shirt.